Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY cake stand using materials from the dollar store. I love these iridescent skulls that I found from the dollar store. To make the DIY skull cake stand, all you need are some skulls, hot glue, and a plate. To start out, I arranged the skulls to create the base of the cake plate. And once I decided on the arrangement that I liked, I took some hot glue. I hot glued the back of each skull, and I also added some hot glue around the sides of each skull as well, just to make sure that the entire base would adhere together with the hot glue. Once I got the skulls hot glued together as the base, I let that sit for just a second, and then I added hot glue to the top of each skull as well, and then placed the plate on top of that to create the cake stand. Here we have it, our $5 DIY skull cake stand. And if I didn't know better, I would think that I got it from one of those high-end box stores. You know the ones I'm talking about. And it looks like it was more expensive than it really was. But we made it, and it cost $5. And of course I needed to use the DIY skull cake stand I just created, so I baked some cookies, and these are just some store-bought chocolate chip cookies, and I added some Halloween sprinkles and some eyeballs for a fun, spooky Halloween touch. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more DIY and home decor ideas for fall and Halloween. See you next week!